thought, thanks. Somebody, you know, to my colleagues, to leaders, just those out there that can see the work that we do here at Howard and want to recognize, you know, me in that way. I appreciate that, but I tell people all the time, this is a we journey because it takes an army of people, passionate people, dedicated people, willing to give 210% to do this job. You know, the job of the principal can be so busy sometimes. You're meeting with everybody. You're just doing a lot of things that are necessary to make sure that the school has the support and the resources and the village that it takes to make sure that we can thrive. But I also want to make sure that my kids understand that they are what's important to me. When our kids come through that back door in the morning, we always try to make that eye contact. You can tell a lot of times what type of day this is going to be. And sometimes you can spearhead just getting in front of some of those issues because our children are in traumatized situations a lot. And so really being out there and just trying to see what's the pulse of things, what's going on, and how can we intervene to make sure that we help them navigate those issues. That's what's important to me as a principal. Having been a student here at Howard, there were just so many exciting things that we experienced. We had the opportunity to experience, and one thing that was for sure is that everything that we did, whether it was on the band as a Hustling 100 Tiger, a cheerleader out on the field, in the classroom, whatever we did it with the highest level of expectations. And so to come from that background and that understanding of having been a student here and now being able to come back as the executive principal, it just gives me so much more insight about the things that we need to continue to do to make sure every day is a great day of learning and teaching here at Howard School for our students. I want my students to say that was one principal that gave 210% every day to take care of us and to make sure that we had the best educational opportunities available. And not only that, she cared about us and she showed us that because she was there even at times when it was hard and it didn't seem like we were doing what we needed to do to be successful, and even the data maybe didn't show that we were progressing in a way that everybody else in the world thinks that we should. She believed in us, she pressed us, and she was right beside us making sure that we could be the best that we could be. And so I don't do this alone. An administrator cannot do it alone. And so just having those passionate people working along beside me to make sure that we give our kids everything that they need, that's what needs to be recognized. And I say, you know, we are not just Principal of the Year, but I like to call us Howard School of the Year.